Most learners try to memorize 4 compound angle formulae. You do not need 4, you need 1. Cosine of a minus b is cosine A, cosine b plus sine A sine b. Keep that one. Today we build sine of A plus b out of it. The problem is obvious. The formula we kept is about cosine, and we want sine. So the first job is to turn a sine into a cosine. Here is the move. Any sine can be written as a cosine. Sine A of an angle is cosine of 90 degrees minus that angle. So sine of A plus b is cosine of 90 degrees minus, bracket, A plus b. Nothing has changed in value. Only the name of the function. Your turn. Open that bracket, then group what you get so it looks like the formula you kept. You need a cosine of one angle minus another angle. Find the first angle and the second angle. Pause the video now and write it down. Open the bracket. 90 degrees minus A minus B. Now group it a different way. 90 degrees minus A, all of that, minus B. Nothing moved. We only put a bracket in. And look at it now. It is a cosine of a difference. It fits the formula you kept. Apply it. The first angle is 90 degrees minus A. The second angle is B. So this is cosine of 90 degrees minus A times cosine B plus sine of 90 degrees minus A times sine AB. Almost there. Use the 90-degree rule twice more. Cosine of 90 degrees minus A is sine A. Sine of 90 degrees minus A is cosine A. Put those in. Sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. That is the formula. You did not memorize it. You built it.
2 last things. First, the other 2 formulae come from the same page. For cosine of A plus B, replace B with negative B in the one you kept. Cosine of negative B is cosine B, but sine of negative B is minus sine B, so the middle plus turns into a minus. Do the same replacement on what we just built, and you get sine of A minus B. That is all 4 from 1. Second, about the paper. These formulae are printed on the information sheet, so you are not being tested on remembering them. You are being tested on using them. Write the formula down first. Then put your angles into it. If you jump straight to an answer and the answer is wrong, there is nothing on the page for a marker to award.